Whole heap of rhythm we have, daddy. Styling, yeah. A boy trembling. Give girls them no feelings, you know. Yeah. Mark sitting. Enough rhythm we have in a pooper. I hear the next thing again now. Okay, I just so we are doing to notice a touchdown. You know. Hear the next thing. Veteran TV. Styling. Hear them rhythm, man. Which one of them want, DJ? Which one? Slide. Slide. Slide, eh? Punch them down. Pop, 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 punch. Pop, 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 pop. Punch them down. Punch them down. Sure. What do you probably do with a black along? I tell you. Yeah, next one. I don't like them tune, you know. I know, only the new thing them done. Bad thing when we come still in the daddy, you know, just entertain people at the square to if I sit there, say, bad thing, daddy. Eh. Give them my next rhythm, man. Hey. Yeah. All a styler. Education. The key. Always I telling about it, don't. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell so well. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell so well. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell well. Them say, M-I-L-O, that a Shiloh, S-H-I-L-O, that a Milo, and a B-I-N-G-O, that a Ringo, and a R-I-N-G-O, that a Bingo, and a S-O-S-O, that a Go-Go, and a G-O-G-O. That a so. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell so well. Come follow me. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell so well. You hear me? Go to school and learn the rule and nobody fool and nobody sit down on no stool. Cause it's in a man, the veteran of you rule. Can't read so good, some man, some can't spell so well. No, me can read and no, me can spell. No, me can't read. No, me can't spell. No, Tina man rise well. M-I-L-O. That a Milo. Whoa. S-H-I-L-O. That a Shiloh. And a B-I-N-G-O. That a Bingo. And a R-I-N-G-O. That a Ringo. And a S-O-S-O. That a so. And a G-O-G-O. That a go. Veteran man, you depend the go. Veteran TV never get slow. If a TV try a thing, them get a blow. Boom, China man say man, you depend the go. And not that say man, me want to know if you know. Browse it.